What the fuck they said, dude.
Why you wanna sit there and fucking fight him for it?
Yeah, you ain't gonna win. I mean, if you could win, if we had a chance to win, I'd be all right with that. But you have zero chance of winning, you know. I'm all for trying, but it's crazy. Yeah, they was. No, that makes their day when they get to do that. They're fucking scumbags.
Exactly. That makes their day when you do it.
Oh yeah.
It took 3 of them for my little nigga.
Hey, didn't we see bro on the bike yesterday?
Ooh.
Now they're gonna take the fucking little bike too.
That is good by like. Yeah, we don't have a bike.
But they feeling tough. They done got them a little motor.
Look, another one came. They not bullshit.
Fuck 12. They not bullshit. Tell them nigga, fuck 12, nigga.
Yeah, you.
They heard resisting in there. They all want to come and get a piece of that. Dude, it's over with, man. Roll on. Fuck. And you have no need to even be here. What the fuck? Fucking idiot.
Hey, I just I hate you saying that. He be on bullshit, but he was on bullshit like you. Nah, bro. I fought that nigga.
They got him.
Y'all better keep the cameras out. Cause they gonna come up here and start fucking with you. You better keep that bitch out.
Why would they do that?
Because no, they just find any way they can. They'd be like, oh, so y'all too close to the crime scene.
Fuck, they don't do that with me, dude. They know better. I've already got 2 lawsuits against them. They don't fuck with me anymore. Oh yeah, fuck these motherfuckers. News Now Ohio, bro. That's my YouTube channel, News Now Ohio. Check it out.
News Now Ohio.
Yeah, check it out.
Alright, bet.